few weeks ago, I was on the internet and found a cheap bus ticket to DC. So for $4, I hopped on Megabus and took the ride down, and it was pretty nice. But I ended up with a couple hours, so I figured might as well come down and check out the mall. From the Washington Monument, it's definitely the best view of the mall. You can see from the Capitol building all the way up to the Lincoln Memorial. It's pretty awesome, and I'll have to definitely come back and look at it when the cherry blossoms are in bloom. So it's taken me 3 years to get down here to DC, but it's pretty awesome. I'm kind of surprised that this is as cool as it is. I mean, I just thought it'd be some old looking monument buildings and some cool little areas, but it's pretty impressive. So according to this yardage marker, it's 503 yards. Nah, that can't be right. One thing I did not realize is the distance between that monument and this one. It's got to be a couple miles between these. Looks kind of like the one back in Washington. Though they may be a little bit annoying, these are definitely the way to go around here. Well, it's a quick trip to DC, but totally worth the $4 bus ride. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, and hey, if you feel like it, subscribe and click that bell to get notified for when I upload my next video.